21. Mixed. Rebound number 38, put it back. Rebound number 14, number 14, on the floor. Nasa kay number 34. Here we go. Basket. Number 2, someone for. Nasa kay number 38. Pinasa kay number 28. Another basket para kay number 28. Number 34. Nasa kay number 14. Number 14 ng pulls up. No good. Rebound kay number 21. Number 0. Scanning the floor. Gumagawa ng Matanit, pinasa kay number 38. Rebound kay number 38. Pass. Foul. Foul on number 17.
Pigilan. Okay ba, sir?
Yes, sir.
Bilin? Ulam? Kampay na.
Second free throw para ng number 38.
Open na nga.
Basket para sa pangalawang free throw ng number 38. Nasa line number 21, pinaligay number 0. Nasa line number 38.
Maganda yun.
Balik lang po tayo mag number 34. Number 17. Number 0. Scanning the floor. Nice step. Developing number 0. Number 0 face. Pinasa. Traveling violation. Number 3. Forward pass to number 17. Number 17 umatay. Lays up. Foul. Foul on number 28. Shooting free throws. Dalawang free throw para kay number 17. First shot. Basket para sa unang free throw number 17. Second shot, no good. Rebound pa rin yung number 17. Number 3, no good. Rebound pa rin yung number 17. Queen nasa kay 34, no good. Rebound yung number 14, no good. 17, pull up by number 38. Same ball.
Kailangan na pala kakain.
Number 17, pinasa kay number 3, pull up. Basket para kay number 3. Number 0. Pinababa ang ball. Tumira ng press. No look. Same ball po tayo. Score 8. Nagbaba ng bola. Number 0, Matame na steal. Punta yung foul. Mandatory substitution, second 5. Foul on number 28. Second 5 pass. Number 6. Pinasa. Binalik yung number 6. Swing to number 0 for 3. No good. Rebound to number 8, reverse. No good para sa reverse. Wait lang now. Number 16, right. Drop is good. And then reverse basket. Para kay number 8. Number 21, slow. So, we need number 38. Basket para kay number 38. Number 6. Bababa ang board. Number 6. Number 0. Number 6. Swing. Look there. No good. Number 38. Raise up. Line na rebound na spin. No good para sa round jumper. Rebound number 22. Nasa line number 13. Number 13. Number 13, yung nasa kay number 6, nabitawan, base number 6, logo, pag number 38, nasa number 21, number 21, matali. Wow. Foul on number 22. Dalawang free throw para kay number 21. Unang tira. Pasok. No good para second free throw. Rebound para kay number 22. Number 6, 7. Drop pass to number 8 and then reverse spin. Basket para kay number 8. Pinasa kay number 1, pinalik kay number 21. 38, pinasa kay number 1 for 3. No good, ito ni number 8. Rebound kay number 1, pinalik ko ni 38. Basket para kay number 38. Number 6, nagbababa ng ball. Number 6, set the play. No good. Rebound 21. Number 21. Pinasa number 1 for 3. No good. Rebound number 22. Going to play for number 6. Number 6. Pinasa sa labas. 3. No good. Rebound number 38. Number 21. Nagbawa ng bola. Pinasa number 8. Take the ball, out of bounds.
Alex yung blue. Yung white. Bradford.
21 for 3. Basket for number 21. Number 6. Number 6, number 0, forward pass to number 22, number 6 for 3, no good, rebound number 30, right, drop pass to number, spinning number 21, umatay, lumilit si number 21, basket count para ng number 21, time remaining 35 seconds para sa first quarter. Number 6, Pinasa. Number 6 with the ball, Hits. Tapos, number 30 with the possession. Nabitaw ni number 30. Bumalik ni number 30 na still ni number 1. Foul. Foul on number 0. Alex ball. Number 21. Follow number 7. Number 6. Number 6 lays up. Basket foul on number 6. Second quarter. Number 9. Number 19 na sa kay number 34 to clear up. No good rebound. Number 28 foul. Bradford. Number 9. Number 2. Pulls up. Basket para kay number 2. Number 0. Number 21. 21 for rebound. Bradford. Takeover. Pinasa. Still in number 21. Number 21. Nagkamali. Lay up. Single. Foul. 17 seconds. And number 17, second personal foul. First free throw para number 21, basket. Second shot, no good. Rebound number 28, last three. Number 2, number 15, Natap. Out pass, number 2. Number 2, number 9. Bonus free throw para kay number 0. Sablay para sa bonus shot. Number 17, nababa ni bola. For 17, team nasa. Team number 14, number 14. Matawid. Foul on number 88. Number 9. Basket out. Alright, number 9. Number 0. binababa ang bola. Team nasa. Team lock ni number 9. Great. Mira. Pero meron tayo. Foul. Foul on number 21. Number 9. Bababa ng bola sa number 9. Number 9, scanning the floor. Nasa ay number 14. 17, tumatake. Wow! Foul on number 28.
Virgin pa.
17 layup. Third personal foul na para kay number 28. Number 3.
Apat lang yan.
Number 9. Kick out to number 32. No good. Single.
Tatlo lang pala. Wala ko pa. Settle lang ako. Okay,
Number 28, warning.
Resentment pa ako.
Resentment of a call.
Resentment. Resentment for a call.
First fight po, pasok po for both teams. First fight po.
Warning lang, warning.
Amateur to! Ano na safety to ko? Amateur to! Kaya nga, nasa sa rule book.
Sa
rule book.
PIBA, boss.
Kaya nga, nasa na.
PIBA, meron tayo nun sa PIBA.
Basket drops. Unang victory number 7.
Obvious na.
Binigay mo ba lahat ng rule? Namigay mo sa lahat ng
Boss,
team.
PIBA yan, PIBA yan.
Walong season na tayo, pipa pa.
Oo, PIBA naman yung pinapandal natin dito eh. Hindi tayo professional dito, boss. Hindi tayo professional. PIBA tayo, amateur. Amateur.
Pag mature ka, pinamigay mo muna yung rules start of the season. Namigay ka ba?
Boss, meron
Tanong
yan.
ka, namigay ka ba?
PIBA,
Namigay ka ba hindi?
meron yan.
Namigay ka na yung start.
Boss,
Ah, namigay ka.
PIBA rules will apply. Diba? Alam mo yan.
Foul on number 17. Third personal foul para kay number 17. Number 21 shooting 2 free throws. Basket counts para sa pangalawang free throw ni number 21. Point. Raise up. Basket drop. Kulang. Number 0. Straight up play. Kulang out. Number 28. Nervous. Rebound. Pinasa number 8, number 10, pinasa 34 years up. No good.
Time out.
Foul on number 3. Time out. Basket counts. Number 34, setting the play. Team number 16, foul on number 38. Penalty na po.
Harap na yung tao. Ay, hindi, wala pang laro. Ako din pa, di ba? Wala pang laro. Nag-text na?
Bago na rin na po sa laman. Sunod po, basket para sa pangalawang freedom ng number 7. Nasa number 0. Number 0. Binigyan ko yung number 28. Number 0 na bitawan. 28. Basket para kay number 28. Forward pass. Basket for number 3. Okay, kabitawan na screen ng number 17. Nasa kay number 13. Number 13. Nasa kay 14. Basket. May kasama pang foul. Foul number 77. First free throw para kay number 14.
Ano naman? Ito binabasa.
Number 0. Number 0. Number 0. Jumps. Number 21. Basket. Para sa first back. Number 21. Forward pass. Top 20. Number 38. Same ball. Number 14, pulls up. Over para number 14. Iba rin number 21, binigay kay number 0. Nasa rin 38. Basket para kay number 28. 34. Sumunod. Nasa rin 13. Pull up number basket. Para kay number 13. Right remaining 1 minute and 27 seconds. Look, no good. Rebound number 34. Number 34. Number 14. Number 14. Lays up. Basket para sa layup. Number 14. King. Number 34. Number 34. Taking the ball. Attacking. Laying up. Basket. Foul number 34. Penalty. And remaining 47 seconds para sa ating second to Visual score po natin is 35-30 in favor of Blackwood. Last move para 38. Counts. Number 34, send the play. The 17 breaks drives, basket out para sa ating number 17. Number 0. Setting up again.
Nakapatay na yan.
Sandali lang daw, sabi ni number 0. Pinasa kay number 28 for 3. No good, number 3. 10 number 38. Nastin in number 22. Forward pass to number 30. Raise up para kay number 0. Rebound number 1. Number 21 Pauba. Tinira. Basket count. Foul para kay number 0.
Ano ba kanina? Parang sa mga meaning.
Pinakonvert ang ating bonus filter. Number 30, Pinasa. Number 21, Pumatari. Foul. Foul on number 8. 2 free throws para kay number 20. First row, basket para sa free throw. Second free throw para kay number 21. Subway line na receive. Number 6, number 38, nasa kay number 31. Aliyot nila, hindi lang complete. Nasa kay number 1. Kicks out to number 6, Umatari. Kicks out to 13, then we're beginning of violation. Number 21, running the floor. Number 21, pinasa kay number 0. Pinalik kay number 21. Pinalik kay number 38. Nastin. Narinig kay number 38. May kasamang foul. Starting foul para kay number 38.
Kapatay mo ba?
Number 6, Natawa, Pinasa. Number 6, Mayang Pandola. Check the play. Pinasa kay number 0 for 3. No good. Rebound in number 38. Number 38, pinasa kay number 0. Wait lang daw, sabi ni number 0. Number 0, pinasa kay number 21 for 3. No good. Rebound in number 13. Number 30, forward pass to number 0. Number 0, pinasa kay number 6. Matay, rebound in number 6. Put back para kay number 6. Basket out para kay number 6. Number 0, going to 3. Who's number 3? No good, rebound in number 1. Back kay number 6. Rebound number 0. Pinababa bola. Number 6 sa matay. Number 6. Foul. Foul number 21. Dalawang finger para kay number 6. May good para sa unang finger. Second free throw counts para kay number 0, scanning the floor. Number 0, pinasa kay number 1. Number 1, 3. No good. Ibang number 38. Patay. Foul. Foul on number 8. Dalawang free throw para kay number 38. Unang free throw, number 3. Second free throw. No good. Rebound ni number 6. Passes to number 13. Number 30. Number 30. Umatak sa gitna. No good. Na-rebound ni number 0. Number 0, umatak. Number 0, umatak. Yung layup sa line. Number 21. Pataisip na, lady up. No good. Number 38. Foul. Foul on number... Foul on number 13. Number 38. Second shot, basketball. Number 6, nagbababa ng bola. Number 6, pinasa number 30. Number 30, pulls up. Number 21. Number 21, forward to number 0. Pinasa 21, lays up. Basketball, number 21. No good. Number 0. Number 0, number 1. 3, no good. Number 2. Number 0, drop pass. Pinalagay 0. Basket down. Number 0. Third 5 po. Number 21. Number 21, nababa ang bola. Yung nasa kay number 21 na lang. Number 7. Yung nasa number 34. Number 34. Number 34. Bumalik pa rin sa Bradford. Pasa kay number 14. Number 14, basket. One pass. Number 18 with a jumper, no good. Forward pass. Umatak number 17. Pinasa kay number 9. Jumper, no good. Rebound number 7. Number 7. Pinawala ang bola forward pass to the and no good. Pinawala ang bola ng number 7. And takes drives. Out of bounds. Number 21, passes to number 14, bumps, pinasa kay number 17. Send the play for number 17. Connor Taylor, sees up for number 24. Number 21, setting the play. Pinasa kay number 28, number 28, pinalik kay number 21, number 21, jumper, no good. Dito na number 17, forward pass to number 9, number 9 fix, no good. Narito ni number 2, pinasa kay number 9, pinalik kay number 2, number 9 fixer, no good. Dito ni number 7, number 21, matay. Foul on number 34. Number 34, third personal foul. First free throw para kay number 21. No good. And remaining 2 minutes and 23 seconds. Second free throw.
Pinapay pa naman. Pinapay.
No good.
Pinapay. Pinapay.
Alex Wong.
Nakasin nila.
Number 38. Number 38. Second from Tira. Foul. Penalty. First free throw, miss para number 38. Second free throw.
Ilan daw tayo mag-start? Ilan tayo
No
mag-start?
good. Pinasa, number 34. Number 34. Matang sa Pilipinas. Shot basket para kay number 34. Out. Dahil sa Alex. Number 28. Number 28, Pilipinas. Isa na number 14. Pinasa na number 17. Number 17, Pinasa. 6-3. No good. Standing number 4. Foul. Foul on number 28. Third personal foul. Missed the first free throw. Second throw, basket. Time remaining 1 minute and 13 seconds para sa ating third quarter. Score 53-42 in favor of Blackburn. Number 7. Sinasundot ay number 14. Same ball. Number 19, lays up, basket. Number 20, pinasa ng number 7, number 7, matay. Pinasa kay number 88, no good. Hindi pa rin number 14. Number 14, pinaba ang bola. Number 14, lays up. Alex Boy. Number 7, nagpawa ng bola. Pinasa kay number 28. Number 28, pinasa kay number 21. Number 21, pangay sa gitna. Counted. Number 24. Foul on number... Foul on number 34. Fourth personal foul para kay number 34. No goal. Time remaining 22 seconds. Number 34. Standing the floor. Number 34. Number 17. Number 9. Number 9. Lumina. No good. Rebound na number 38. Alex Boy. 5 seconds. Team number 4. 3, 2, 1. Fourth quarter. Number 3, for 3, no good. Rebound number 22. Number 14. The basket counts for the Sabang foul. Foul on number 88. Number 14 for the free throw. Number 88 for personal foul. Number 7, nagbawa na ng bola. Number 0, basket. Number 9, pinasa kay 22. No good. Iba rin number 8, pinasa kay number 0. Number 0, standing the floor. Pinasa kay number number 88. Number 88. Pinasa kay number 28. Nilabas kay number 7. Number 7. Pinasa kay 21 for 3. No good. Rebound ni number 22. Number 22. Pinasa kay number 3. Number 3. Pinasa kay number 14. Number 14. Nakatake. Basket. Foul on number 21. Rebound in number 21. Number 28. Second to shoot. No good. Rebound number 14. Pinasa kay number 3. Number 3. Pinasa kay 0. Pinasa kay number 9. Number 9. Pinasa kay number 0 for 3. No good. Rebound number 3. Number 0. Pumatake. Lays up. No good. Rebound number 0. Nabitawan. Na-steal ni number 0. Number 0. Number 0 pop. Na-steal niya ni number 0, pinasa kay number 9. Number 9, pinasa kay number 14. No good. Substitution. Pinasa kay number 25. Passes to number 14. Basket para kay number 14. Time remaining 17 seconds para sa ating fourth quarter. Pulls up from 3. Bradford. Score is 61-46 in favor of Bradford. Number 0. Pinasa kay number 6. Number 6 will set up play. Pinasa kay number 3 for 3. No good. Rebound in number 7. Wait lang daw. Pinasa kay number 0. Number 0, pinasa kay number 3. Still in number 9. Space. 0 for 3. No good. Rebound in number 0. Pinasa kay number 14. Number 14. Counted. Basket bounce para number 21. Foul on number 6. Completes the bonus football. Number 6 nagkaroon lang ng bola. 5 minutes and 45 seconds remaining para sa ating fourth quarter. For the shoot, is no good. Rebound number 38. Pinasa kay number 21. Number 21. Pumatang sa gitna. Lays up. Foul. Foul on number 22. Number 21, 2 free throws. Basket counts para sa unang free throw yung number 21. Sa bilay ang pangalawang puso. Score 350 in favor of Rugby. Number 0 pass to number 14. Offensive foul on number 6. Number 7. Number 5. Pinasakay number 014. No good. Rebound with number 21. Wait lang daw. Pinasakay number 7. Fix. Passes to number 0. Hesitate. Pulls up. Rebound with number 0. Pinasakay number 6. Number 6. Bumatay. Number 6. Pinasakay number 3. No good. Number 7 to the rebound. Number 7 is set to play. Pinasakay number 2. Pinasakay 14. Passes up. Passes para kay number 14. Number 0. Nagbababa ng bola. Tumira ng 3. Basket counts para kay number 0. Number 6, send the play, pinasa kay number 0. Number 6, swings to number 7. Number 7, to number 6, passes to 3. Points para kay number 3. Number 7, nagkaroon ng miscommunication. Substitution. Three minutes and 26 seconds. Remaining time natin para sa fourth quarter. 2 points para kay number 3. Number 21, patay. Offensive foul para kay number 21. Substitution. Number 6, nagbawa na po. Brings to number 17, it's back to 6. Line ball. Number 0. Team nasa kay number 21. Number 21. Pinalik kay number 0. Pull back. Now we will not back score for number 38. Number 6 sell the play. Pinasa kay number 17. Number 17. Pinasa kay number 9. Number 9 comes to number 17. Foul. Substitution. Foul on number 38. 2 free throws para kay number 17. First throw. No good.
Oo nga eh. Paano yun?
Nakita sa'yo?
Tapos fine.
Nakita sa'yo?
Second throw. Para kay number 17. Time remaining 2 minutes and 10 seconds para sa ating fourth one. Score 17. Number 3, Bigkas na kay number 17. Last 2 minutes.
Kailan po?
Number 20. Tapos na number 21 is 21. Offensive foul para kay number 21.
community, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Dito pa rin tayo sa Brittany Basketball League Season 8, and for our third game for today, we have Bradford versus Annex, kung saan nanaig itong Team Bradford. Now back in the court side is our best player of the game, Mr. Udaundo, number 3 on his jersey with 13 points, 5 assists, 2 rebounds, and 2 steals. So first of all, Sir Udaundo, congratulations for having a good win today. Kahit medyo mainit yung court natin at medyo kahit paano dikit yung laban ng first and second quarter. So it has been usap-usapan din namin na ang ganda ng ball movement natin today. Paano nyo po ito pinaghandaan? Kasi nga, or anong pinagkaiba nito ng ball movement nyo from your previous game last Sunday?
Sabi kasi ng coach namin, bago kami tumira, 3 pasa muna. Kaya ikot-ikot muna yung bola. Tapos harap ng libre, saka pwede na tumira. Ganun lang. Sakto, yung fourth quarter, pumapasok na yung mga 3 points ko, kaya medyo lumayo na.
The ball rotation was indeed a commendable one, sir. Ito pa, aside from having a good game, sir, hindi rin may kakailan na medyo marami-rami yung crowd supporters ninyo. Paano po ito nakatulong sa inyo? Did it boost your confidence? Medyo kinabahan po ba tayo? How did it go?
Hindi naman, basta focus lang kami sa game. Kung ano sinabi ng coach, ayun ang ginagawa namin. Depensa, tsaka takbuhan daw kasi malalaki yung kalaban. Yun, run and gun kami.
Definitely. So sir, bago tayo magbabay sa kanila, baka may gusto kang i-shoutout na batiin dyan. Now is the time.
Shoutout nga pala sa misis ko muna, si Greta. Saka anak ko, si Uno Dos, saka si Tres. Sa shoutout sa boss namin, sila Du Gamponya, yung La Marcos Builders and Construction. Pati si Sinabre, Idol, si Doc, sila Kabutyan. Thank you.
Ayun, na-shoutout pa yung isang team na maglalaro mamaya. So that's it from your courtside bestie, Lala. And of course, Sir Udaundo, this is Brittany Basketball League Season 8. Don't forget to like and follow our official Facebook page, Brittany Basketball League, and use our official hashtags. We are Brittany and Brittany Ballers. Kita-kits po tayo next game. Hello BBL community, of course. Dito pa rin tayo sa Brittany Basketball League Season 8. And for our third game for today, we have Bradford versus Annex, kung saan Bradford took its second win for this season. Kani-kanina lamang ay kasama natin ang ating best player of the game, si Mr. Udaundo. And now, kasama naman natin ulit si Mr. Dugamponia, ang isa sa mga team leaders, captain and coach ng Team Bradford. So sir, syempre, congratulations once again for having a good win. Nasabi nga namin kanina, ang ganda ng ball rotation ninyo kanina lamang today, na ipanimalas nyo today. At isa pa doon, how can you please share to us how did you guys keep up, or how do you keep up with the pressure, of course, because you guys are the defending champion, and without a doubt, the eyes are on you. And kanina nga lamang ay may na-interview din ako na nasabi ng isang team na they're looking forward to have a game against your team. So, anong comment niyo dito, sir?
Una sa lahat, congrats sa team namin kasi best effort. Medyo malalaking kalaban namin. Hindi namin makaya. So, dinaan namin sa bilis. Kumbaga, court to court, pag-pass break kami, and then focus lang. Defense, backs out. Basta, yun ang ulit namin, rule namin. Hanggat walang buzzer, tuloy-tuloy lang.
Grabe, grabing run and gun naman na ipinamalas nyo kanina. So, eto na lang. While the first and second quarter, medyo nagkakapaan pa kayo dito sa Annex, but for the third and fourth quarter, somehow you guys maintain the momentum. Pero kitang-kita pa rin, kahit medyo may upper hand na kayo sa third and fourth quarter, that the fire in each player is still evident. So paano naging holistic itong motivation na to, Sir Du?
Sabi namin, bilog ang bola. Hanggat walang buzzer, tuloy-tuloy, medyo malalaki sila. Kaya, baka mahabol kami. Sa amin naman nababalik yung pinaka-pressure. So, minintay namin yung pressure sa kanila para hanggang sa dulo, sa kanila ang momentum, sa amin ang momentum.
Ayan, that's it from your courtside bestie and of course Sir Du of Team Bradford. Don't forget to like and follow our official Facebook page, Brittany Basketball League. And bago tayo magkita-kita next Sunday, ay may babatiin si Sir Du.
Happy birthday pala kay Vincent Roque, tsaka kay Marlon Chuan. Tapos si Marvin Alos, happy birthday.
Ayan, thank you so much Sir Du and congratulations po once again. Kita-kits tayo next game.